So I've actually been using or have used the last few months this little camera quite a bit. This is the DJI Pocket 3. Um, and it's great if I want to do some video over here. I don't have to move all the cameras over, or in the back, I don't have to move the cameras over. Or if I want to go out and shoot some videos in the garage, I don't have to do a big setup over there. It's just a really great little camera. Um, Not for everybody, but for a lot of people, I think it's really great. Um, but if you are someone that's going to be using this heavily, maybe it's your only camera, your primary camera for vlogging or traveling or whatever. Um, you know, the battery's good. I've actually never, no, it's not true. I once ran out of battery using this because I was using it pretty heavy for the day. Uh, so you may want some extra power. Now, DJI actually sells a battery grip. It's 950 milliamp hours. They say it gives you about 62% additional battery. Now, it comes in at about $70-ish, I believe, US. So it's not an unreasonable price, for sure, not an unreasonable price. And I do think it may have some additional features, like when it's actually plugged in. If you wanted to plug in a USB mic, you can plug it into the battery grip. So you're going to get a grip with your mic because your USB port is being used up. Yes, right. But the folks over, because normally, right, this is the little grip right here. The folks over at, where is it here? The folks over at Maectech, I think it's called. They actually sent me one of theirs. Now, theirs is strictly a battery grip, right? A battery extension. But 950 milliamp hours in the DJI, and this one has, I believe it's 2800. Yeah, 2800 milliamp hours. So you're pushing like 3 times the amount of battery in this. So if battery's your biggest concern, maybe you're going somewhere and you're like, I don't even know if I'm going to have power for a day or two. Battery is probably more important than being able to plug in a USB microphone. And the DJI can take a Bluetooth microphone anyway, so it's you're still on board, right? So Maectech, yes, very cool. It's in a language there I don't know. There we go. So installation steps, right? There is no need to press the front release button on the front. You connect the handle, insert it directly, make sure it's there, and you're good. Seems simple enough, yes. Anyways, this is it here, right? It does come with a USB-A to USB-C for charging. Very cool. It's a good size brick. Now this isn't a battery grip. This is just a little extension that you can get from that comes with the Osmo, right? So this is same. If you look at the top, right, you'll be like, yeah, it's the same. It even has like very similar little like grip patterns and all that kind of stuff. Yes, these are going to be for the arms. I do find, just so you know, right, being transparent, the arms on the DJI a little smoother. Yes. This battery, yes, 48 bucks, something like that. Canadian. So it's like, I don't know, what is that? $35 probably US. Yes. Yes, indeed. And then you do have a little button here. That's not the right button. You do have a button somewhere. I think when this plugs in, you'll get little lights. Anyways, I haven't even tried it yet. So let's just do this. Yes. Click. Anything? There they are. So there's your 4 little lights. See them right there? It says that this is fully charged. You can keep this on there. Look at that, charging. And now that's got some length to it. Yes. Fits in there good. Snaps on nice. Fully charged. This is charging this. And it does say it's a high-speed charger. So what does it say? 2800 milliamp capacity, fast charging, extended shooting, and anti-slip grip. Right? There's the anti-slip part. But it's made very much like smooth, grippy. You'd think this was made by DJI. 100% you would. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, I'll just come back with some specs. I'm going to charge up this. And then I'm going to run this down without the battery just to see how long it takes. and then I'm going to run it down with the battery to see how much recording time you get. So that's going to take me a little bit of time, but I'll be right back right now. That's excellent. Excellent. I love that because it gives you that just that extra bit of reach too, right? Now, it's got a little bit of shake, like you guys maybe see just a little tiny bit of flex, right? See that little bit of flex there? And oh, maybe that one wasn't in all the way. Oh, that's why. Now the flex is gone. So this one didn't clamp in all the way. So again, you want to make sure it's clamped in. So there he goes. And then pop, off it goes. So yeah, so when it pops in, you want to make sure both of them clamp in. Yeah, we're good. Now we're good. That's better. Oh, yes. Now, the other thing to just kind of be aware of, and I'm not sure where I have the cover here, is that, oh yeah, no, this should still, I would think this should still, yeah, should still be able to go on and protect it. Yeah, because there's no bottom on there, right? So you're good. And this will have a USB-C port, so you can just plug this in. This will charge this. The battery will charge this. At night, you're rocking and rolling. All right, anyways, I'm gonna let these all charge up. Then I'm going to run them down, and I'll be back, so don't go anywhere, and I'll let you know how much additional time this battery actually gives you. All right, guys, so I've let this camera, the Osmo, run with its internal battery from empty to when it's shut off by itself, and I ended up getting in total 2 hours and 15 minutes, approximately 2 hours and 15 minutes. So that's actually, pretty good. I think that's pretty good time. And again, that's just sitting here, really just doing nothing, one stop. Now, when I added the battery grip to it, I ended up getting 4 hours and 19 minutes. So we almost, double in time. I actually expected maybe to get a bit more, but yeah, 4 hours and 19 minutes. So you know what? If you're recording 4 hours worth of stuff, I do think that having the battery grip is going to be super useful. The other one said, like the DJI one said, it gave you about 65%, I think was more. This is giving you like twice the amount, right? So very, very useful. So I think this is going to be a great addition for those of you that, let's say you're going on holidays or you're going somewhere where you may not have the ability to get to power. 2 hours probably for the majority of us is lots for the day, but having extra power with you is always good. Maybe you just get in a scenario where you throw it in the bag and you forget to turn it off, or something happens and it's chewing through battery. Well, now you have a little extra battery handle to plug in, charge it up, get yourself going. Yeah, that's kind of nice. And I think for the price point, it's hard to complain, right? Hard to complain at all. So I think this is a complete win. It looks like it's actually made by DJI, like it's cosmetically, it fits well, good construction, and yeah, very pleased. All right, guys, this is the, I think, Maectech battery grip handle thing. And that's all. I'll put links down below if you're interested. And I will see you guys next video. Later.